All right, little update on the Bronco, kind of where I'm at. Didn't get all the recording of getting these upper link mounts to where they're at right now. Got them welded. I still need to make some overlays that will get welded on here yet, so these are just clamped on the frame, kind of in position. I made my first upper link. It's some 2-inch quarter wall DOM, 1.25 inch Heims on the ends. These are just some mock-up brackets I have. These radiuses are too big for this tube, so I still got to cut the actual tabs for the axle yet. So yeah, you can just kind of see I'm just getting to the point of ready to start cycling all this stuff and getting suspension going and building from there. So that is kind of where I'm at now that I have those upper link mounts and these, which do have the right measurements. That's the main thing. You know, I don't have that actually bolted in there yet. And same with that, I don't have that actually bolted in there yet, because to position these, I have this sandwiching the frame, if you can see that, and I'm gonna have to drill a 3/4 inch hole where these go for this hole, for that bolt to go all the way through the frame. And then once they're positioned, I'll actually come in and weld. So that's kind of all the stuff that I got coming up next. So kind of that first video is just getting to this point, just getting everything out of here, doing a lot of work on the computer to do a lot of the geometry figuring out for all this stuff. And now I got to come in here and put it all in and start cycling and seeing what works and what doesn't work. So I already knew I was planning on having to cut this bodyman out and doing a overlap on there and welding it to strengthen it back up for clearance for this upper link arm to cycle up in here. But other than that, everything's looking pretty good. These are the stock radius arm brackets. Those got to come off yet with these bolts. I just took some measurement points off there for reference for the axle, so I'm still using those until I get those positioned. So those will be out of the way yet. But yeah, that's kind of what we got going on there. I do have some, let's see, some Fox 2.0 bumps and cans from Apple Tree, local right here in Mears, Michigan. So went down and got those from them. Probably gonna do something off the, well, I got two options. This is a cast Ford Dana 44 axle with the wedges. So I might do something where I plate this in and hide this and do a bump stop mount there. Something. Or maybe I might even been thinking about doing, I've got to still cut and design a new set of these. Been thinking about doing something maybe on top of there, bumping and leaving room for the coil over up here and panhard up here. So some different options. Oh, my furnace just kicked on. Oh, maybe not. There it is. Finally got a furnace in here. Thanks to my buddy Craig, hooked me up on this thing. It's an old fuel oil furnace. And this thing runs on, I've just been putting diesel in it right now because that's what I have access to right here. So, blows in there. It's got an injector, some heater coils, diesel on. I got a tank outside, so it's like a 85,000 BTU diesel burning furnace, so that's pretty dope. The shop's run on diesel. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I mean, I've been making a lot of updates to my shop, trying to make it, yeah, it's having a little freak out. Trying to make things a little more organized and ready to be able to pump more of these projects out. So this project still is coming up next. I'm getting ready to start working on that one. Here is that other, this is for the other side, the upper link mount. Like I said, I still gotta make overlays to get welded on there and stuff yet. But anyways, that's where I'm at on this thing. That's some of the stuff that's coming up next. But yeah, next video should have some cycling parallel 4-link suspension on this Bronco. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for staying up to date on these YouTube videos, and see if I can put some more of them out on this thing.